So just right now they empty from the container. This is a Dodge Challenger. Yeah, it's
5 ticket.
what exactly Samir checked the car before he purchased. For 5 minutes he checked from inside, he checked from the engine, everything's perfect, and he purchased the car, guys. So now the car is officially yours. We're gonna reveal it on the next video, guys. If this video get 1,000 likes. Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is AzooL from AzooL channel. Basically, I make a lot of videos about the crash car, about the accident cars, this kind of stuff. And on the videos, I always mention this. The car is a really good price, the car is very low accident. And the most commenting question people ask me, why don't you buy the car? If the price is good, if the accident is too small, why don't you buy? Today I'm going to answer on that question. First of all, let's meet my friend Samir. Everyone knows who he is. So guys, this is the story. So basically I do a business in here, but my business is related to the crash car, but not basically on the crash car. So what I do, I sell used spare parts. Yeah, so that's the reason I'm not so much interested to buy a crash car and like repair it and sell it, because I have my own business. I sell spare parts. But here my friend Samir do this business, so I thought that'll be really interesting video to be a day with my friend Samir. We'll see where he go, how he check the car, and normally how many cars you buy per day. What do you think, Samir? He have 2 cars in his eye. We're gonna check both of the cars. We'll see which one of them he will gonna buy it. Visit his shop also before once, and this is his another shop. For everyone knows, each place I'm visiting, I'll try to put all the information, all the phone number, location, everything down in the description below. If anyone else want to visit this shop, I'll put all the information. Yeah, so I'll put all the details down in the description below. Okay. So now you have to give us more good price. So let's go, Samir. We'll check the cars. We'll see. You need to check 2 cars now.
You wanna buy this Jeep?
There's one Jeep, yeah, and there's also another Infiniti.
55 ticket.
So 55. He gave us offer, and Samir also you have something in his mind, and it will be.
Samir, tell me.
So they're gonna start the bargaining now.
Now we'll go inside the office. No.
Yeah, it will be really interesting video, guys. We'll see how my friend is gonna do the bargain, how you gonna manage to buy these cars, and hope so. If this video get a lot of likes, I'll try to make a second part. We'll come to visit your garage. We'll see how you fix it, and of course we want to visit your showroom as well.
Now, sell it.
So this car already they sold it. Now it's checking out. It's properly driving. Like there's no crash on it.
The 2 doors.
Oh, okay, that's too small accident. Yeah. That's a good one. So that's the car they already sold, and of course they're picking it up from the place. And let's check a little bit the cars, what exactly they have. So this is a small tour on this garage. Let's go. So guys, this is the first car we want to show you. It's an Infiniti. What's the full title?
Q50.
It's a 350 what?
Q50.
Okay, Q50 Infiniti 2018. So this is the car. I want to show you first of all, we're going to take a small tour on the car. We'll check from inside, from outside. Then we'll see what exactly Samir check a car before he bought. So this is the story. So this is the car. Let's see what exactly Samir checked the car before he purchased a crash car. That'll be really interesting. Let's go and do it. So first of all, you open the door with the handle.
Yeah.
Good one. So you check basically from inside first?
Yeah, I checked.
Okay, show us what you check.
Inside, see no airbag problem.
Good, thumbs up for the airbag.
Okay, just the roof airbag and the seat.
So 2 airbag or popped up?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's too hot in the car.
And the 2 hot in the car.
Okay.
So from inside, the most important thing will be only the airbags, yeah?
From inside the airbags, yeah.
Okay. Of course, there are new models, so the seat and other stuff will be always good.
Yeah. You have to change the interior.
Show the camera in here. Okay.
We have to start the engine. I'm waiting for the guy to.
Okay, give me this bag. Bag is full of money, guys. I just hold it for my friend. Okay. After we open the hood, you just remove the covers, yeah?
Yeah, check the engine.
So we're gonna start the car first of all.
Start the car. Remove it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, guys. Now we'll start the car. How are you?
So second thing, Samir check the engine. So we just connect the battery. Now we start the car.
Yeah, check engine.
So smooth engine, you know?
Yeah.
No sound at all. So those warning lights, or is it important to check the car? There's a lot of warning lights. I can see check engine, airbag, ABS, tire pressure sensor. Warning light. There's too much warning lights, Samir. You don't care about them?
No, I don't.
That's good.
The important thing that the airbag. Yeah.
So you want to check the gearbox as well, shift it? Is it good? It have the power? Normally guys, this all crash car are imported from the USA, and sometimes you can find really interesting on their trunks. So right now my friend just opened and you find a printer. Is it a printer?
Yeah, the printer.
Okay, and you find lots of t-shirt as well, shirt, jeans. I'm not sure this is a safe to show on the camera. Let's check from inside what you can find. Did you open the back door, Samir?
No. I opened.
There's a skateboard. Oh my god, we got a skateboard.
Free with the car.
Yeah. You know how to ride a skateboard, Samir?
No.
Let's do it. I'm gonna show it after, like, now I don't. So Samir, you wanna say how much did you bought the car or no?
No. After
What?
1,000 likes on the video, then I'm gonna explain you how I get the car and how much I get it, and how much I sell it, and how much it will cost me.
So that'll be on the next video.
And the next.
So guys, what exactly happened if this video get 1,000 likes? On the next video, guys, on the next video we're gonna show you everything, all the prices, how much my friend bought this car and how much he gonna spend on the car, and end of that how much he gonna sell this car as well. That'll be a really interesting video. As you can see, the car doesn't need too much work, and I'll try my best as well to join with my man Samir and get this car to the garage, and after that we'll see how easy it is to fix a car. It looks so easy from this side, and we'll see how many items does he need, and we'll go also as well to check the spare parts for this car. There's a sound on that, maybe this is for the rear tires sound. Yeah, anyway, that's a good one. So just as you saw, my friend checked the car like for 5 minutes. He checked from inside, he checked from the engine, everything's perfect, and he purchased the car, guys. That's how the business starts. And this is the car, and of course, as you can see, the recovery is there. We're gonna pick this car and take it to the garage. Yeah. So Samir just bought this car, guys. Oh my god, can't believe it. And a really good price as well. So as you saw, we just picked up the car. Now it's time to go to the garage. But before that, my friend gonna go inside and do his last bargaining as well to pay the money for the car. And as he told me, there's another car also he's interesting. He's gonna do some bargaining on that car as well. So if the price is good, maybe he will buy 2 cars in one day and from same place. The other car is a Jeep Wrangler 2018. I'm gonna show you that car as well. Clip. Now we go inside and do the paperwork and of course pay the money as well. No problem. I can guess how much the car will be, but no. We're gonna reveal it on the next video, guys. I'm sure I can guess how much he's paying now, but no, we're gonna give you all the information on next video, upcoming video. If this video get 1,000 likes. So now the car is officially yours, Samir.
It's fine.
So we finished the payment, guys. As you can see, the car is moving. Yeah, that's the car. Now we're gonna take it to garage. And still we didn't finish from here actually, guys. You want to check another car as well. So we're gonna go there. Why we are too dark? Now it's good. Okay, so we're gonna go and check the Jeep Wrangler as well. This is a Jeep Wrangler 2018, and this will be made the second car my friend gonna buy. But before that, we're gonna stop Oh my god, there's a sound. Okay, my friend told me just stop recording because he want to check the car properly. After that, he will decide his mind to buy the car or not. If he want to decide after that, if he decide to buy, then I'm gonna show you the car in a proper details and everything he gonna explain. Before that, sorry, we cannot have any videos. Let's go. So guys, he checked the car had a little bit problems, but reason if we decide 100% to buy the car, then I'm gonna show you everything. If not, we're not gonna show you more details about that car. If you want to visit this place, I'll put all the information down in the description below. So guys, we're gonna go and check for the spare parts, but before that we should open and see what exactly item do we need. So now we're gonna open the front bumper. After that we can see properly and see what exactly item we need. It's time to open the front bumper and see what exactly items we need and make our proper list. Let's do it. So finish opening the front pump, see what items else do we need. Getting too much late, guys. We're gonna go tomorrow on the market. We're gonna search two places. First of all, we're gonna check the new parts, and after that we're gonna go and check for the used market. We'll see how much we can find the spare parts for this car. Yeah, so guys, this is end of this video. Thank you so much. If you guys make it till to the end, please comment down below and tell me what do you think of this kind of videos. I hope so you enjoy what exactly we plan. This is the first time I think anyone go in the market and show you inside this market, guys. Actually, this market is very big and no one else tried to go on. Make sure to like this video, comment down below as well. As my friend explained, if this video get 1,000 likes, we're gonna give all the numbers, how much my friend bought this car and how much he will spend on this car, and end of that, how much you're gonna sell this car, guys. Thanks so much. We'll be back tomorrow in here, and we're gonna search for the new parts and for the used parts as well, and we're gonna see how long this car will take us to fix it. Take care, goodbye and peace.